Morning, guys. Ben Krofchek here. Um, just got into a trade this morning very quickly before I even had a chance to put up my my Zoom page so I can show you this, but I am going to try to show you something here really quick. I'm having a hard time finding it. Okay, so right here, I just made a trade literally a few minutes ago, and I made $75. I made the trade, and within probably 10 seconds, the order filled, and I was up $75. So I could really stop for the day and just say I'll take my 75. I mean, look at, like I said yesterday, $75 a day is $375 a week. That's $1,500 a month, and I did absolutely nothing for it. I can just take my profit and go. So normally what I would do is I would probably more than likely stop trading today and then just paper trade, just like practice to get better at it. I just saw an when the market opens and it's dropping like this, you ask yourself, what is the chances of it going against you? What's the chance? I mean, the likelihood is 50-50, I guess, but I've seen the market was on a bit of a downtrend. The bell just rang, so it just opened and it was filling really quick, and I thought I can get a quick scalp in, and that's exactly what happened. And then you can see after the market opened right here, not right after it opened, it started going back up. So the market's doing something different now, and I just got in. I got in at the right time to make a fast, a fast buck, kind of. And you can do the same thing right here and say, oh, this looks like there might be an opportunity to make some money there because the way the market's behaving. So just goofing off, I guess we could buy a stock.
Order submitted.
And then look at, as I was getting ready to place a buy, look what's happening. It's actually going down. So it's good to wait. It's trying to come back up, but I don't like that bar. That's not a healthy bar for a buy signal. So we're going to back out of. Yeah, see, it's trying. Wouldn't risk it. Wouldn't risk it. We had this downtrend that we see here, but now if we look, we actually have, it's now become an uptrend. So we're going to take this, just kind of manipulate it a little bit. And see. Let's see. See how this works here. Could just make new lines, but I don't know. I think it's easier to do this. Maybe it's not. But now we definitely have an upward. Now we have an upward trend. We had a downward trend before the market opened. The market opened. It finished its little dip, and now it's starting to trend back up. So we want to look at this and see, is it going to stay in this channel? Because here's our resistance. It hits here and it goes down, hits here and it goes down. Is it going to hit here and go back down? If it does, then it'd be a great place to place a buy. So let's see what it's going to do. If it bounces back down, then we have our one spot right here. I get rid of that for right now. Yeah, here we have one pullback up and a pullback. So if we get a pullback, I'm going to get a buy ready just in case we get a pullback. We have one up, two, oh wait, one pullback, two pullback. Yeah, this is actually three. So what we should do maybe is buy a stop limit and see if it's going to break out of that channel or not. Now it's trying to come back down. We're just looking for a 1-point scalp here. We're not looking for a whole lot. But it is trying to come back down. It's not breaking that channel. Ooh, look at it drop. See, it wanted to stay inside of there. And it's going to keep on coming back down, it looks like. I don't know. The one thing I have to learn to do is to not make so many trades. And that's something I'm working on, my discipline of not making so many trades. Like, really, they say between two to five trades a day, however long that takes. And I can do 40 trades in a day just playing around, but then you wind up, making money, but you've lost so much money through the day. It's kind of pointless. So it looks like it's still trying to work its way up. We can see that it's definitely still trending up, and we have a new resistance line right here. So we're going to make this our resistance now. And we want to see. We have this is our new our 1 point, and then it just matters whether or not it's going to go down or not. I'll go above this point here. So I'm going to pause this recording so I'm not boring you with a bunch of stuff and make this way longer than it needs to be. And I'll bring you back on if there is something to share with you. Okay, I got a place. I got something placed here, right here at this bar. I placed an order, a trade. Needed to go through that green line there. It was really, really close, and then it waffled out on me. I don't know why. I thought for sure it was going to go up. It should have, because it's a 2-point break. So it's a leg, but now it's dropping back down. So it's not going by the rule that we would like to see it go by. Fortunately, struggling. Should have been a two-legged pullback, 1, 2, but didn't pull back. And it was by the EMA, so it certainly should have. It's not done, it might, but see what happens. Got to bring it down a little bit just to make something on it. Oh, so close. Just needs to push through that green line a little bit. Just won't do it. Came right to it, and then it bounced back down. Now it's going the other way. Crazy. Two-legged pullback. It should have went through there. But sometimes the market doesn't do what you want it to do, and you just got to ride it out. This is going to go against me. It looks like it's not looking good. It's not looking good. It's staying red. Yeah, stopping out. So now I went from being up $75 to being down 225. That was a killer bet trade, and I did exactly what I was supposed to do. It just did not work out. It did not work out. So we're just going to have to try to make it up again somewhere else. No big deal. No big deal. Let's wait for it to come back up. Hopefully it will. And we'll get our money back. This is our new 1 entry point right here. And we have a 1. We need to pull back, which we haven't gotten yet. Should get it right here. Okay, so we're going to have our first pullback right here at this bar. This might work out really well for us. Even though we lost a little bit of money in our last trade, we might be able to really make it up here if we do this at the right time. We have our one pullback. We need our second down and our pullback, and hopefully it'll come all the way up to the top here and make some money. I'll stop it so I'm not boring you and bring you back if there's something to share. Okay, things happened really quickly, but I made a trade right here and I got stopped out. And I didn't have time to show it to you. So we're looking at another trade here now. But we're going to wait and see because I made $75 on the last trade. And my runner stopped me out, which is fine. So I'm no longer 225 down on the day. Oh boy, this would have been a good time to look at that one maybe. Okay, we're in another trade here. We need it to go to the green. Hopefully it's going to climb. It wants to be a climber. We're going to help it a little bit. Going to bring it down a little bit. Push through there for us. And it did. So we're in the money right now, but we need it to keep on going up, of course, which it's not wanting to do. And we're going to trail it with this right here. You got a runner, so we want that to keep on running up. There's no reason to think that it wouldn't. We think it would come all the way up to here at least. So, we want to follow our trail our stop so we can make some money. Now it's going against us. It's red. That's not a good color. That is not a good color. We like green. We want green right now. We don't want red. Getting a lot of red here. Oh, that's a lot of red. Man, I don't know why it's trying to sell off, but it is trying to sell off, trying to push back down here by these bars. These consolidated bars together are kind of really annoying. You don't really want to see that. You want to see this trend continuing up, and right now it kind of hit a wall. It's almost like this has become a resistance area. Just not good. It's like right here, you can put like a line here and a line here. Like it doesn't want to go any higher than that. Kind of stalled. But we got a green bar again, so that's good. It's coming back up. I just wanted to get back to break even so I don't lose any more money. But I needed to go past this line a little bit before I can bring my stop up. It's trying, but it's kind of failing now. You see, we get to we're ready to have a new bar here, and now it's going the opposite color. It's not doing what we want it to do. That's a good sign. It started off green. If it'll stay green, no, it's bouncing back to red. Market's acting crazy today. It's not doing what it's supposed to do. And of course, I guess some people would say it never does. But now it's kind of just waffling here in this area. It's not going up or down. It's just kind of hanging around. Like the buyers and sellers don't know what they want to do. The bulls and the bears are kind of like battling it out here. Unfortunately, the bears are winning. It's keeping my price down. We need it to come back up. Well, there's a good sign. It's going back up. It's green. Oh yeah, keep on going. Keep on going. Come on, blow through that pink line of mine so I can at least get out even money. Come on. Keep going. I'd like it to come up to here. That'd be awesome. We can actually make some money on this deal. And that's exactly what it did. That's exactly what it did. Oh, this is awesome. We're running this baby up. We were patient. It paid off. And now we're making some money, folks. We are making some money. Look at this. We're following this stop all the way up. Look at this baby go. This is going to be a nice payday. This is going to stop. I won't do the market anymore today. Look at this. Is unbelievable. We are having a great experience here. I'm moving this all the way up, and I'm just going to keep on following it as far as I can go. Boy, oh boy, when this happens, this is exciting. We are going to have a nice little payday here, y'all. I may be following it a little too closely, getting greedy here, but that's okay. If it stops out right now, I'll be a happy man. If it goes back now, I'll be a happy man. It's going to stop me out probably. Okay, I'm up 250. I went from being 175 down to 250 up on that one trade. I happen to be right here and let this baby go all the way up as we were hoping it would, because here again, look what it did. It finally came to our line of resistance. And then, you know, we knew it should go up there, and it actually did. So what a great day. I'm done for the day. I made $250. It is literally 9:55. I started trading at 9:30. So in 25 minutes, I made $250. That's $10 a minute. What a great day. So I'm excited. I hope you see how exciting this can be for you too. And if you'd like to learn how to make money like I just did, I'm teaching people how to do that. And it's much easier than you might have been told. You can't lose your life savings. You can't lose your house. Could you? Well, I guess if you were, and I hate to use the word stupid, but I guess if you were stupid, I don't know, you shouldn't. You wouldn't and you shouldn't. I mean, there's just no reason. If you have an addictive personality where you go to the casino and you're constantly taking money out of the ATMs there, going up with their like $1,000 of your rent money, this is not for you. But if you can control and treat this like a business, you're not going to lose your house. You're not going to lose your shirt. You're not going to lose your life savings. Only if you would lose it in a casino. If you can go to a casino and take $100 and say, hey, if I make money today, great. If I lose my $100, great. If you can have that mentality and not be addicted to where you got to put more money in, then you're going to be fine with this. This is amazing. I just made $250. Literally, that trade took about a minute and a half. So in a minute and a half, I made 250. Actually, I made 475, but I was down 150 because I made a stupid trade. Came back, and here we are. So it's exciting. I hope you enjoyed watching this. If you're interested in learning how I do this so you can too, you can text me at 352-476-5968. You can call that number as well. And I'd be happy to share with you the details of the course, the cost of the course, how long it takes, and all, what it takes to get started and all that kind of stuff. So have a great day. I'm done for the day. I'm going to play around now. But no more live trading. Now I'm just going to do things just for fun. All right. Have a great day and be safe.